Hello viewers, Aslam here from LeadsFlex. In this video, I'm going to show you a best comparison between GoHighLevel and Instantly, and I will show you step by step all features, price, and which software is best for your business growth, and also I will show you how you can use for your business growth as well. So let's dive in a comparison without wasting time, and I will show you step by step. So first of all, I just visit GoHighLevel website. It looks crowded, but it looks good with all features and functionality. And here is Instantly we are going to use for emails and all the other services as well. So I have make some these charts. I explain you step by step. So first of all, I'm going to explain you GoHighLevel, then Instantly, then I will give you a best comparison, and I will give you suggestion as well which one is your best for your cold emailing or CRM, and I will suggest to you as well. So let's dive in this one. So here we have a fourth step. One is the overview, features, use cases, and price. Same for Instantly, then I have comparison. So let me go for the overview first. And in the overview first, we can see here it's GoHighLevel overview. It's all in one marketing platform. Yeah, it's all in one marketing platform. I'm going to show you why it's all in one marketing platform, because they have CRM, they have sales funnels, they have automations. And I will go to their website and I will show you step by step. Yeah, you see, first of all, you can build your digital marketing brands here without having any of these tools. For example, ClickFunnels for funnel design, Kajabi, and all other tools that you use for funnel design, you don't need to use. You need to use for GoHighLevel. No need to use any emails templates and email tools, because GoHighLevel have all these features. And no need to use any tools for tracking for payments, because GoHighLevel have all these features. So it's you can nurture your leads. You can convert your leads, communicate through this awesome platform, and after that you can fully automate booking appointments, calls, SMS, even AI agent as well, AI agent voice calls, and create your membership area and close more deals with managing your workflows, with your automations, with your customer payments and sports. Grow your business with this. Yeah, that's why it's all in one CRM, because they have their all these tools in a one tools. I will explain you all these features as well. So in the next step, I just show you all these features of GoHighLevel, so you will get idea which one is the best for your business. Let me explain these features here. This is all in one CRM system that I have explained. You can build funnels, you can build website builder, you can design funnels, easy step by step, drag and drop builders. You can just drag and drop all features. It's like similar like a WordPress website or Squarespace or Wix. It's almost similar. You can automate your all emails campaigns. You can make your emails templates. You can automate your emails campaign when someone book appointment, when someone buy your product, when someone message you, when someone emails you. You can all things you can handle in automations, and even you can automate your social media as well. You can do SMS marketing. You can do appointment schedulings. You can create your membership sites if you have course, if you have coaches, if you have some trainings. You can use membership area. If you have paid membership, free membership, that's good for it. You can white label it easily and make your own GoHighLevel, make your own store with own brandings, with own colors, themes, and each and everything you can do according to your requirements and according to your brand with white label functionality. You can manage your reputations. That's awesome features in which you can manage your all Google My Business reviews, Facebook reviews with automatically. Even they have their AI system that can be easily reply all their AI system will easily reply your all of reviews reply in just a second. When someone posts review on your Google My Business, AI tools will automatically reply them, and we can automate all these reputation management. You cannot get negative rating with this reputation management system. I have explained another video in my YouTube channel, you can visit and check. And GoHighLevel have integrations features. You can integrate with Zapier, and through Zapier you can integrate with lots of other tools. And here we have third-party API as well that we can use for custom integrations with those tools. They don't have integrate features with Zapier or via GoHighLevel, then we can go with the API integrations. So the next, let me close this one and I will explain use cases. Close this one as well. Yeah, use cases. The multiple agencies using their system of GoHighLevel, and they can manage their client, they can manage their reputations, they can manage their courses, they can manage their videos, they can manage their funnels, websites, and even they are providing services to other agencies as well when they did a white label GoHighLevel. And business looking, it's a very useful, those business that looking for automations. For example, you can say that doctors, gyms owners and salons and restaurant, the system is the best for those. They have their booking system, they want book appointment, and they automate their business. They're the best tools for those. Comprehensive marketing management, you can manage, in short, you can manage all of your marketing needs. You can handle websites, you can handle Facebook ad, you can handle Google ad, you can handle email marketing, you can handle SMS marketing, you can handle calls, and even you can handle your all types of appointments. You can funnels and websites, store and payment system as well. And also they have very good pricing system. They have monthly based subscription and white label costing cost. There is not two plan, they have three plan. One is a basic plan, it's a $97, and another one is a $297 plan, and third one is a pro plan, is a $497. It's depend on all your requirement, and you can buy according to your requirements. Let's move on the Instantly. I will explain Instantly, all features of Instantly. Here we have Instantly. Let me close these all branches. Yeah, we also have four features in Instantly: overview, features, use cases, and price. Emails, outreach, and lead generation tool. So Instantly basically a email outreach, used for email outreach and lead generation tools. Focus on cold emailing and campaigns. It's a very good tools for cold emailing. I am using for my cold emailing campaigns for getting more clients, more customer. So I will create detailed video on it, how you can use for cold emailing, outreaching to your customer, to your client, and your business owners, and it's a very useful for lead generations. So they have very good features as well. I will explain. Yeah, you see they have their mini tool, emails warm up. I think they have the world best warm up tools in their system. And cold email, for it's used for cold email campaigns and email sequences. Yeah, that's very good with email sequence when you want multiple follow-ups for 1 month, for 2 months, even for 1 year. It will be best tools for this. They have their analytics and reporting system. Yeah, they have their awesome analytic and reporting system, and user friendly. You can easily understand all the stuff. And also they have inbox rotations. They will check all their inbox activity and manage inbox activity and show to all these data of inbox. Leads management, you can easily manage all leads that you get from emails campaign, for ads. You can easily manage your all of leads. Integrations, yeah, you can integrate with Zapier and Google Sheet, and some kinds of third-party tools they use to manage their own system. They use to manage their leads and their other system. So in the next step we are going to discuss use cases. It's a main and basic functionality is a cold emailing, outreach, B2B lead generation, and solopreneurs and small teams. It's work for all these three top best users of this. if you want a cold emailing, then it would be a good. If you want B2B lead generation, business to business lead generation, then that would be a good. And all, if you are a solopreneur and a small business, then also it's good for you. I will show you pricing structure here. Affordable, tiered price, and scalable plans for team and size. Let me go to the price plan and I will show you how much they charge. Yeah, they have $30 a month, and also they have $77 a month, $287 a month, and you can ask for custom detail as well. Here is all detail you can check on their websites. So here is that's the price, and best for all-in-one marketing needs, suitable for agencies and comprehensive workflow, higher learning curves. If your business is a big and you want to manage your 2 and 3 business, you want to manage a lead generations, you want to manage a landing page, you want to manage your websites, you want to manage your e-learning system, and you want to manage your reputation management system, then GoHighLevel is best for you. But in case you are just want to sending outreach, cold emailing, and just want B2B lead generation, then Instantly is good for all these functionality. My suggestion is GoHighLevel is best, because in $97 a month you can get all these features, not just emailing and all the stuff. You can get all these features. Yeah, here you see they have very good emailing system, and they have very good cold emailing system, and you can outreach B2B as well in GoHighLevel, and they have their landing page design facility, they have their website design functionality. So I highly recommend you can go with the GoHighLevel. I have a best offer for you. I have affiliate link in this video description. If you can go with my affiliate link, I will jump with you on a call. Here you can book, you can type in a Google leadsflex.com. You can find link in description as well. Go to there and book free consultation, and also I will jump on to call and I will guide you step by step how it's beneficial and dedicated for you. And also it's a very useful for your business, and you can easily use to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and subscribe, that would be a best favor for me. Thank you so much.